And I think AI, while I know that everyone has different opinions about it, one of the great virtues of it is that it can save us a lot of time. But I have been a kind of like Debbie Downer with it when I talk to people about it because I'm like, it's not good at reading legal docs. Like, it will give you a very confident wrong answer. And if you don't know what you're doing, you will just accept that and then you will be wrong. And that's the danger of it. So when I started playing around after I did this whole process, because I suddenly had this big pool of data to teach the AI how to do it, I basically created Covenant Workbench. So it's shaped a software kind of container around all of my analysis. And of the 20 plus years I've been in the market, all of my understanding about how covenants work and how they put together, because I know you can teach it, because I've taught hundreds of people now how to analyze covenants, and I have a framework for how to do that. You know, an AI without a framework is a stupid AI. It's going to give you wrong answers. But AI with a framework, an analytical framework, now it knows how to run the process, and it's actually really powerful.